Welcome to the Sales Lab.
I think the discussion really becomes understanding the customer, understanding their needs. Why are they doing that beyond the obvious? What are their plans? Is this plant going to grow? Is it going to expand? Does this company have a fleet of plants that are in a similar situation? Because oftentimes when buying industrial solutions, and this is particularly the case with software, customers are really buying into a platform. And what do I mean by a platform? It means they're going to live with that software for a long time. So the software that we sell, we talked about technical sales, meaning that the products that you sell, in our case software, right, fit into a larger system, right, that these companies use to operate. So there's a great deal of energy and expense, more importantly, maybe expense for our customers, in integrating our software with hardware that they may have for other vendors, with software that they may have from other vendors, with Microsoft, SAP, more business system side software, of course, with the industrial hardware and the control equipment that's within those facilities. So when they're making this decision, they're really choosing a platform for the next 10, 20. We have customers that have been with us for 30 plus years, right? That have been building on the platform. And of course, we revise technology as we move from, DOS and Unix to Windows to new embedded IoT devices and to the internet, into cloud-based capabilities. But it's a continuum, and there's a platform where and the reason they work with us as a vendor as opposed to building these solutions themselves is because we can migrate those applications that they built. It's simpler for them to build using our tools, and then we as a vendor take the responsibility for moving those solutions forward. So we really have to think, and we want to work with customers and ensure that they understand where are you looking to be in 5 years and 10 years, and how is this platform part of that strategy? And so I mentioned, design, operate, optimize. We don't do all of those things for every customer we work with, but the capability of that portfolio is available to every customer that we work with. So if they think down the road that, hey, I'm going to be moving from simple supervisory control to predictive analytics, to use the example that we talked about, for them, a lot of times a powerful consideration is, hey, this is a platform I'm choosing that has that capability that's easy to adopt that new capability when I'm ready to do it, as opposed to buying a point solution today and then buying another point solution 3 or 5 years down the road, and now having to figure out how to make those things work together and take the risk that if at some point they don't work together, they become incompatible, the need then to replace part of that platform. So as we talk with our customers, that's really an important consideration. And I think and I think that's general for any technical sale, that of course you want a good relationship with your customer over time. You want to be a partner to them in solving the problems and the challenges that they have. And in doing that, it's always important to understand not just what they're doing today, but what's their strategy and where their plans for the future. But particularly so with these things that are our platforms, meaning that they provide a lot of additional value down the road, but also require a lot of commitment to deploy on the part of the customer. So, we may get to an initial sale in a year, 18 months, but we again work with a lot of these customers for decades and have for decades. So I think it's really important, and as you talk with your students, you think about technical sales, I think that's one of the things that's really important in technical sales, is to bring a credibility of, hey, yes, I'm here obviously representing a company to sell one of the offers that we have, but I'm also here to understand your business and to really provide a consultative approach to help you as a customer better understand how this platform not only fits your immediate needs, but also your future needs.